Hey, welcome. Ken Van Loo here. Just want to thank you for always listening to my channel. And today, I have a chance to tell you a little bit about a story when I used to work in New York City about this building in back of me. And I'll tell you, it was good and bad because when Lehman Brothers crashed, I lost $300 million in one day. That's right. I didn't know what to do, but I got a job. I started working. Actually, it was kind of felt like a job, but he was paying my company $13,000 a month to finish this project. It was a skeleton. Who am I talking about? One of my mentors, Trevor Davis. He was a wild man from South Africa and came to New York City, and we built 300 East 64th Street, and then we did 400 Fifth Avenue, and then 1055 Park Avenue. And this building right here was on Millionaire's listing, and it has 5 luxury apartments, and it's absolutely amazing. But why am I telling you the story? Because I'm really here to talk to you a little bit about pivoting. This was one of the biggest pivots in my life. The bottom fell out from under me. The rug was pulled out from under me. When Lehman Brothers crashed, I didn't know what to do that day. I didn't have a job anymore for myself. We always have a job, right? We're either working for ourselves, we're always working for somebody. There's always a client, there's always a pivot, something always doesn't go wrong. When you figure out the what so of the business is just that there are problems, but it's not really a problem. It's just another day in the life of real estate development, real estate investment. And that's what you have to do. And this was one of the biggest pivots in my life. That's right, when Lehman crashed, I came out here and I parked myself right here, no pun intended, on Park Avenue, and built this project as a super project management, project manager, project executive, all of the above. I had every single hat on because the city fell apart. 505 cranes were just sitting in midair and not moving. People didn't know what to do. What did I do at that point? I had to start educating myself, learning more about real estate. How do I buy my own properties? What do I do? It was a scary time, a very, very scary time. And that's why we give education, because once you get an education in real estate investing, no one can take it away from you. It doesn't matter if you lose your job. You have the education, you have things that you work for that people can never, ever take it away from you. You always hear me talk about my system, the find, fund, and facilitate. Real estate is a low barrier to entry. It's not complicated. It's not rocket science. You have to find something, you have to fund something, you have to facilitate something. It's just like every business. What I realized is when you build projects like this, that's a $40 million project. You build a $40 million project that has accounting, it has business, it has architecture, it has engineering, it has city officials, it has inspections. That's a business. Creating systems, managing a business, learning how to be an operator, but what is your goal? Not to be the operator, to be the owner, to delegate, eliminate, delegate, automate. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do in life. But it all starts with taking that first step. So if you're thinking about getting involved in real estate, or you're a beginner, just a beginner, or you're intermediate or experienced, it doesn't matter. Number one, check out my modern wealth building formula, how to master real estate investing. It applies to everybody. It talks about the lineup. I'm all about sports. Where are you at in the lineup? Are you the leadoff hitter? Are you the cleanup hitter? Are you down at the bottom of the line? Are you a pitcher? Who knows? What are you doing? But ask yourself the question first, before you get crazy here, what do you really want in life, right? All we want is a good lifestyle. We want to be happy. The number one human need in life is love and connection, right? But also significance. It has a paradox. You heard Tony Robbins talk about this. You want certainty, but you're only certain when you're 100% certain with uncertainty. And then you reach a stage in life where it's contributing, as you see me do, and growing. I'm growing by teaching and helping other people get there. And this is where it started. This was a critical time in my life that I had to get on a train, to the plane, to the subway, and take it up to 87th Street every day to build this building. And proud to say that when it hit Millionaire's listing, it was a great day. Even though we had to still come out of a big hole and rebuild ourselves, we did it. And that's why we're here today, to pay it forward. And I just want to thank you and stick with us. Check out kenvanloo.com. Check out my free book, just pay for shipping. And check out some of the other programs we have. This year we're coming out with Real Estate Mastery University. And stay tuned. Make it a great day.